Turn now!
There it goes. Young psychopath. Fucking idiot. The temerity to put a sign. L.A.
This piece lifts straight up. Just take it off. Because my door won't open. Yep, perfect. Thank you so much.
It was delivering, but we drove to Jericho. We're seeing all the billboards and the tanks driving by us and the yellow license plates and the settlements.
Whose fault was this?
All right. Sounds good. All right. Have a great day.
Yeah, I have to wipe over. I gotta wipe my ass, huh?
Really helpful for the situation she was going through. So she goes,
Liked it or not, and regardless of what sort of man John Carr was, his father.
Shit! Oh my god, dude, I just got that on video.
No way.
你转弯这样子转，哎呀，你真係。
Oh, geil.
Oh my God!
Broadcasting live from the Anajar and Levine Accident Attorney Studios.
Shit.
Call 1-800-747.
This brake check did not go as planned. That is some awful damage. That car.
Скорую срочно вызываю. Где мы? Скорую срочно вызываю. Где мы?
Why not fill it with SiriusXM? Think about it. You can wake up with Howard Stern in the morning, let commercial-free music. All you gotta do is visit SiriusXM.com/go to sign up online quickly.
Кого там есть? Fuck! Fuck!
What?
Holy crap! Holy crap! What is this?
What?
Y se marchó y a su barco le llamó libertad.
Ты чё, долбоёбик?